What's up, everybody? Mike here. I'm going to walk you through how to replace the headlight bulb in your car. It's a pretty easy job. You can save some money from bringing it into a shop. Most cars are very similar. The car we're going to be working on is a 2008 Chevy Impala, but millions of vehicles out there on the road, the headlight comes out the exact same way. So I'm going to walk you through it, show you how to do it.
Okay, so the first step is going to be verify the problem, verify which light is out. We can see on the right side that the light is on, and on the left side it is not on. Make note that the low beam headlight is on the outside. You don't want to replace the high beam when your low beam is out. So we'll be replacing this guy right here. Alright, so we've got our headlight here. We've got a little clip right here that holds the headlight in. Just pull that up. And then we have a 7mm bolt right there. So we'll pull the headlight assembly out. And remember, it was the one on the outside. This cover just twist that off. And then we'll unplug it. Be careful with these tabs. Don't break the tab off. And then twist it out of there. You can see it's broken. That filament's broken. They gave us a nitrile glove at AutoZone. The reason why they do that is you don't want to get any oil residue from your hands on the bulb itself. I just be careful with it. Just hold on to the connecting part. You don't want to touch the glass part of the bulb, because you don't want the oil from your hands on the bulb. It'll make the bulb won't last as long. So I just make sure I just hold on to it like that, and then we're just going to find out where she goes. Turn it, you'll feel it. You put it in there, and then you turn it to the right, and you'll feel it lock in. You'll feel it lock in there, and then we're just gonna plug it back in. Right there. Put the little cover back on. Sometimes I go back until I feel the start to put in, and then I'll turn it to the right, and it should snap. There should be an audible clip like that, and then we'll slide the headlight back into place. Make sure we're getting the tabs. Make sure both of these tabs are getting lined up in their slots. And put that clip back in. And then we're putting that 7mm screw back in there.
There you have it, voila. We got two working headlights.